Hi friends, today I'm going to discuss about the topic called health. So I divided the health into two main parts actually. One is the mental health, another one is the physical health. So for our great well-being, we need the combinations of both mental health and the physical health. So before discussing about this topic actually, so once I will tell my experience what are the issues I faced in my past. So how what are the things I am doing now and how my health is getting better. So this is my agenda. So let's dive into this. Actually, once I got the job, I was getting some salary actually. So I was getting lazy at that time because I was eating the junk food very regularly, and my sleep conditions were irregular, my food conditions food timings were irregular, food conditions were completely different. Again, no meditation, no exercises. Because of that, I was getting so lazy again, my energy levels were depleting again. So and once my energy levels were depleting actually, so what are the work I am doing, I was not doing very effectively, and lot of thoughts were coming into my mind, my previous thoughts, all thoughts were coming into my mind, and it was very hard period actually to control the thoughts also. And eventually I was getting the back pain, the neck pain also, sometimes wrist pain also, because of the we had to sit long hours actually in the chair, and we have to type the code long hours. So because of that, I was getting all these pains. So I realized, and it should not be like that, right? So I went into the YouTube. I have seen some of the videos about the exercises of all these. So temporarily I have done that, but once I have joined in the life transformation, I got the importance about this health actually. So how do I improve my health conditions? So that's where the two things came into the picture actually. One is the meditation, another one is the exercises. The meditation improves your mental health condition, the exercises improves your physical health conditions actually. So once I started these meditation practices, so I was able to control my thoughts also. I have been doing that. So right now I'm controlling my thoughts also. Once I control my thoughts means I'm controlling my emotions also. For example, if I am speaking with my dad or mom means, definitely sometimes I will get anger. So I scold them too actually, but after I realized that why did I do that, it's a bad thing I do that, because at that point of time it came out of my mouth actually. I didn't control my thought and didn't control my anger actually, but right now the situation is completely different. After I have done these meditation practices, I can able to control my thoughts and my emotions also. So eventually your mental condition will get better, you can focus more, you can control your emotions, right? So one is the meditation practice which helps better into your mental health, okay? Another one is the exercises, guys. I think you already experienced this. Sometimes you sleep very much, still you are being very lazy on the bed, and continuously you see the movies or the web series like that, right? But after doing exercises, your energy levels were getting higher, my energy levels were getting higher, definitely you also. So you definitely, why not, right? So exercises gave me so benefits. Because of my energy levels, I can do so much of work in the day. So if I take the massive action means definitely I'm going to reach my goals actually. So putting priority on your health is the major thing, guys. Putting priority on your health. So again, what are the food you are taking, it's matter, concentrate on those. So what are the sleep timings are those? Sleep gives you energy, guys, throughout the day. So don't neglect the sleep also again. So all these combinations are getting you better in your health conditions. So realize that and practice that, the meditation, exercises, and what are the food you are taking right now, and the sleep is one of the most priority. Never neglect that. So because of this, your health condition will be improved. Actually, once it is improved means definitely you can reach your goals. So yesterday Kanish and Manisha have done absolutely fantastic job about this topic. Go check out their videos also. So that's my topic today. Okay, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.